A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we came with a love spell with that attract anybody that you want. In this spell, distance doesn't matter, age doesn't matter, and you have to take some things only with you, and your lover will be in your control. Nothing else required for this spell. You have to take 5 things with you to do this spell. One is the matchbox, black marker, a small plain paper, a bit paper of small paper, a white candle. That's it. Nothing required except of that for this spell. So we are going to start this spell. Precautions that you have to use for this spell, or you have to apply for this spell: nobody should interrupt you, marker should be worked, the candle should be used it before, and the paper should be plain, and you have to do this spell in early morning, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. In between that, you can do that at any time. Your partner's age or sex doesn't matter. It should be male or female. It will work for both, and countries would also not be problem for this spell. This spell will work for everyone for sure. What you have to do, you have to take a photo of your lover. Like for example, this is a photo of your lover. So I have to write here lover's photo. So this is, for example, I'm telling this is your photo of your love. Then you have to write some things back on that photo. Like for example, her name is Sophia and she is 39-year old. You have to take one thing, that if she is from your same country, then you don't have need to anything. If you are from the different countries, then you have to write her country, like she is living in India. And you have to make a sign of plus, and then you have to write your name John, and you are also from UK. Then you have to write UK, and you have to write your age. What you have to do, you have to write this behind your lover's photo. This is paper, but I'm telling you, you have to take a photo of your partner or your ex or your dream girl, dream boy, or anyone that you want to be control on him or her. You have to take this with you. What you have to do, you have to write your name, her name on the first place, Sophia. She is 39 years old. And she is from India. The same thing you have to write, that you write down on behind of the photo, and after that you have to write your name, and you are 25 and you are living in UK, United Kingdom. What you have to do, you have to make a small heart, and you have to make this sign, on your heart you have to write love Sophia, and on her heart you have to write love John. But the thing is, the most important thing for this, the person should be in your contact before, like he should know you, like as a friend, as a lover, or as anyone, and as a relative, colleague, boss, employer, whatever it is, he should be know you, he or she, both of you know each other. Then this spell will work for sure. After that, what you have to do, you have to burn this paper gently. And you have to leave some paper like this. You have to burn it with the candle as well. And after that, you have to burn some paper with the matchbox, and you have to burn the left paper, rest of paper, with this candle like I showed you on the video. So what you have to do, you have to burn this candle for half an hour, and you have to fold this paper towards you, and you have to put this paper in your wallet, purse, or this very secret place. In half an hour he or she will contact you. Thanks for watching our video. Please like our video, subscribe our channel. If you have any kind of doubt of this video, you can call us on this number. And thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.